So today we're talking about triangles. Alright, so first, triangles are something you've dealt with since elementary school, but we're going to get a little more in detail with them. So to make a triangle, and obviously this is a triangle symbol, the two small sides must add together and be greater than the largest side. So, basically, do these form triangles? So we do 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5 is greater than 4, so yes, it makes a triangle. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5 equals 5. It's not greater than 5, so no, it's not a triangle. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5 is less than 7, so no, it's not a triangle. And that's all we're doing. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 is greater than 5. And since it's greater, yes, it's a triangle. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 equals 7. So, no, not a triangle. If it's equal, it's not a triangle. Okay, we're looking for greater than and only greater than. Okay. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 8 equals 8. So no, not a triangle. Get my pen to work again. Brand new pen and it's already dead. So let me pause and get a new pen. Alright, so 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 equals 9. So no, not a triangle. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 is greater than 8. So yes, it's a triangle. So it's actually pretty hard to get triangles. Okay. Now, for the next part. If we're given two sides of a triangle, how do you find the third? Okay. Again, this is actually pretty easy. It's just basic arithmetic. If we're given 4 and 7, we do 7 minus 4 and get 3, and we do 7 plus 4 and get 11. The third side has to be between these two numbers. Because if we do 3 plus 4, we get 7. And so 3 plus 4 doesn't make 7, or 3 plus 4 is 7, and so that doesn't make a triangle, so it has to be bigger than 3. 4 plus 7 makes 11, and so that wouldn't make a triangle, so it has to be smaller than 11. So we write our answer as an inequality. 3 is less than x is less than 11. So any number bigger than 3 but less than 11. And so that's how we write it. Now, if it were to ask for specific numbers, anything between those is fine. But when it asks you to write a range or write it as an inequality, this is what you do. Okay, so as an example, 5 and 11. We do 11 minus 5 is 6. 11 plus 5 is 16. So our answer is 6 is less than x is less than 16. And that's it. For this one, it's 43, 21 and 43, so 43 minus 21 is 22. 43 plus 21 is 64. So 22 is less than x, which is less than 64. So a much bigger range because the numbers were bigger. And so that's all it is for finding the sides of a triangle. Now the last thing for triangles that we're going to talk about today anyway is that the largest angle of a triangle is always across from the longest side of a triangle. And the smallest angle is always across from the shortest side. Okay? So if we draw that angle straight out, we hit 8. So angle A is the larger side because it's across from 8. Angle B is the middle angle because it's across from 7. So if we go straight out from B, we hit 7. That side. So that's the middle angle. And C, if we go straight out, we hit 2. And so C is the smallest angle. Okay? And that, again, that's all there is to it. Now, we can't tell what the measurements are from here. We will be able to later, but right now we can't. So the type of question it might ask is, put the angles in order from least to greatest. Well, 5 is the shortest side, so that's S. So angle S is the smallest angle, that's the least. 7 is the next one, so across from that is R. Angle R. Then all that's left is T, and that's across from 8, so angle T. And that's it on triangles for today. Okay. If you have any questions, as always, let me know.